I'm drilling the socket in the front leg, right front leg, and there's an angle. It's about 98.5 degrees for this lower stretcher. The lower stretcher is this part right here. So what will happen here is if I orient this like this, the seat rail here goes in at an angle, and this also goes at an angle at this location. So that's a 5/8 inch diameter socket. Typically we use that on Windsor chairs, that size of a socket. It's in the thinnest part of the cabriole leg, so I worry about taking material out of this, but the tenon goes back in there and it needs to be a tight joint to retain its strength. So I've got a flag here to stop this depth before the end of the drill goes through the other side of the leg. Now I'm going to go slow with this, trying to hold this angle, but also holding it perpendicular in this plane. So those are the two critical angles involved here. Let me check how we're doing here. That looks good. This looks good. I'm not going through, and I certainly don't intend to do that. I'm getting close to the end, so I'm going to back this out. And switch to a spoon bit, which doesn't have the auger bit end. So the spoon bit is I can go deeper with the socket, but not risk going through the other side of the leg. That looks pretty deep. Maybe I'll just see if it's deep enough without using the spoon bit. I pull the stretcher out of the so this goes in like this. Now I'm about 1/8 of an inch shy. I need to go 1/8 of an inch deeper. I don't think I need this now. You just tighten up on this a little bit. And you have to put downward pressure on these spoon bits. Get it to start to dig in. Okay, that's probably not enough. but I'm not going to risk going too far. I'm still about, well, it's not an eighth, it's more like a 16th. Just I'm just going to round this off a little bit on the end. Bevel this. That'll let it seat in, I think. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's seating, that's hitting, and let's see how this goes.